Hello guys, this is Sakib from eComclips, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create collection pages on Shopify. Also how you can design the collection pages and how you can add any specific product to any specific collections. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard and from the backend click on products, then collection. And when you will go to the collection, on the left hand top side you will see a add collection. Click on it, and once you are there you will see some boxes. So first of all, this collection will be a woman collection, so I would like to name it for her. And here you need to submit some description part. So for the description I would suggest you to go with basic one right now, just to show you how you can do, but you can manage it with HTML. Okay, so here I'm pasting my description part, and although this is a collection page, but on all the collection page you can add a thumbnail image. So I'm just going with a random one, but according to your business you have to make it professional. So next, let's create and hit save. And this collection is ready, but right now on this collection there is no product. So now I will add the products. So for adding products, you can see the products, and under that there is a box. You can search products, or beside that there is a browse option. You can browse and select separately. Okay, and if you click on add, those items will be added there. And when you want to sort, you can sort it like as per your demand, like best selling, title, A to Z alphabetically, and also highest price, lowest price, new arrival, old, and manually. For the manual slotting, you can drag and drop it from 1 to 2. That's the way. So now these products are added, and you don't need to save it again. They are automatically added. And if you can click on view, you will see the collection page, how the landing page will look. And here it is. Also on the product section, you can add any of the item to a collection from the product backend. And for that, you can see the collection search box, and from here select the collection name and hit save. By this way, you can also add the product in the collections. So now I would like to go more deep, like adding filters. And if I use these options, any of the product that have these categories, or maybe that collection I am targeting, or maybe the type I am targeting, maybe the tags I am targeting, maybe the vendors I am targeting, those items will be automatically added. You don't need to come to this page again and again and add all the items again and again. So that's the way for the tags you can use. Let me leave it for now, and as I have only a few items, let me add it manually, and done. Okay, now I showed you how to create the collection pages, and also I showed you how to add the products on the collection page. Now I would like to customize the collection page. So for that, you can see the collection template name is default collection. So if I go to online theme, and from here, this is the theme I am using today. So let's go to customize, click on collections. Basically, you can change every specific collection page design according to your choice. There is no limitation like all the collection page should look the same way, not that much real. So you can change your collection page design according to your preference for every specific collection page. Let me show you a draft so that when you are going to do that, you can do it and hit save. So for the collection, I am going to change the default one, and next I'll show you how you can create a separate one for others. And here are the products, and these are the layouts. If you can check the layout, select one. And from here, you can select the aspect ratios, and also the top padding, bottom padding, all the things are here. And if you just do some drag and drop, like drag and drop it, and it will go fast or last according to your design. And You need to hit save. Also, you can see all the collection lists. Here is the collection list. Currently, we have only two collections. One is for her, another is homepage. So from here, you can also change all the collection lists and design it according to your choices. As we are in the horizon theme, there are some limitations, but when you will be upgraded with a high converting theme, you will get some more benefit and more templates. But there is a AI option to generate the templates. If you have a good skill on prompting, then you can also generate the template you want from a free theme. So right now on the home page, I want to show the featured collections. So here you can see the featured collections, and all the products are here. If I can make some changes in the title, like woman. So that's why you can change it, and also there is option for heading, styling, everything. You need to check it from your end, and also if you want to make some background, you can do that. So that's the end, and that's the design. Design is a part of creativity, so you can design it according to your own. I will leave it to you. So now hit save. So that's how you can create, design, and customize any collection page. And if you want to know more about Shopify and learn more how to manage business with Shopify, check out our videos. You can see on the end screen. And if you need further help, you can mail us at info@eComclips.com. We have several portfolios of creating amazing websites. So reach out to us today. See you in the next episode. Peace.